What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Sean here. If you are new, consider subscribing because I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also do release bonus videos and you don't want to miss them, so make sure you got the bell clicked and notified so you won't miss a thing. With that being said, I do try to make you the best version of you in each and every video. Today's a special video. I have been on YouTube for 1 year consistently and the channel has grown and I love it, but I do want to share with you some mistakes. So if you're ready, let's get started.
Nerf this!
So right now, Lily and I are at Lake Wobbin. It's super windy outside right now, which is why I haven't filmed outside yet. We're gonna walk around the lake, and if the wind dies down, I'll be able to give you some of the mistakes that I've made in my first year with being on YouTube and in this channel. Not because I think I'm a YouTube expert or anything, but because I don't want to see you make the same mistakes and you can grow faster than I have in my first year. I haven't grown a tenth of where I want to be, but I'm continuing to learn, continuing to do. So hopefully with the information I share, you can use it to your advantage. So let's go. So we just started the path, but you can't really like detect the wind right now because I think the trees are blocking most of it. So I thought right now would just be a good time to share one thing that I've learned, and that's just to get started. I can't tell you how long I've put off doing the channel, and it was with encouragement of other people like Lily that really have pushed me to actually start and stop beating around the bush and get in front of the camera and just do it. And even though, you know, we don't have the best equipment, you don't always need it. Of course you want to upgrade if you want to, you know, improve the channel at some point, but the key is just to get started, and then you just roll and build and keep going, and you build momentum as you keep going. The second mistake that I made was caring what others think and caring if I was like over promoting myself through my social media. Guys, you can't care what other people think. It's just gonna hold you back. If they're not gonna be a fan of yours or support you, then they're not gonna support you. That's just a matter of fact. So a year ago, I probably wouldn't be holding this camera in front of my face, walking by people like I am right now. But now, I don't care. That's just where I have grown to, and it's only helped the channel. So you gotta do things that scare you. You have to not care if someone's gonna say something to you or make fun of you, because at the end of the day, that's just a reflection on who they are, not who you are. So don't care what other people think, and your channel will grow faster than you realize. It's super cold right now. The view is beautiful. It's not, the foliage hasn't peaked as much as it has in the past. So Lily and I are gonna get the hell out of here because it's like 37 degrees. Last year when we were here, it was 75. If you go back and watch the first video, it was 75 degrees. Where is that today? And I don't know if I said this earlier, but this is a special spot, especially for me and Lily, because this is where my channel started. This is the very first place we filmed the video, and the very first vlog took place here, and it was all about Carpe Diem. That was the name of vlog number 1, and to this day we're still trying to take advantage. We're like climbing up like this super inclined hill right now, so if we look weird, that's why. And it still rings true. You got to take advantage of every single day because you only have one life to live. Well, we're freezing, so I'm gonna put this camera away right now and get back to the car. I'm gonna get some coffee because I haven't had my coffee yet, which is why I'm all over the place and scatterbrained. So let's go. So we're almost home. We stopped at the open house that we were gonna go to a few weeks back, but we didn't make it in time. So we're gonna go tour it right now. So let's see how it goes. I don't know, I'm gonna ask you.
We live right up the street. Yeah. It's nice.
So right now we're in the basement checking out this property. It's funny, I've been having like weird dreams about like the Leprechaun, if you guys have ever seen that movie, and like this, as you can see, I'm like crouched down here because it's even Lily, I mean, who's tall, but it's just very, very short down here.
Isn't that funny?
But yeah, it just reminds me of that movie, The Leprechaun, so I'm kind of freaked out. Let's get the hell out of here. I know. High ceilings.
Yeah.
Lots of light, lots of natural light with these big windows here. So the place is really nice. Detached garage, and now we're gonna be going into the other unit to see what it looks like. So it's got the slope ceilings, which I'm not a fan of, but they're not as dramatic as a lot of other multis with sloped. On top of the barn, you mean?
Yeah. That's really cool. Yeah. And the good thing is you're not town sewer.
So overall thoughts, it's really, really nice inside. Everything's been redone, as you saw. It pretty much would be turnkey, but just gotta crunch some numbers really. But it's a beautiful property. So basically, Lily and I just hung out all day. We're getting ready for bed right now. Just watched some football, chilled. It was just a bad day to go to Lake Wobbin. The foliage is not peaked yet, although you did see some color change, which is nice. It's funny, we joked in the car that all the trees that are really peaking in foliage are on the highway, so that was kind of funny. But I'm just gonna give you a third tip, and that is basically to take it seriously. If you really want to succeed at doing YouTube, or grow at least, then take your videos seriously, take uploading seriously, take editing seriously, and, you know, actually put in the time and the effort. Don't half-ass it. If it's a hobby, if you're just doing it like when you want to, it's one thing, but if you're really taking it seriously, go all in and do it to the best of your ability and take it seriously. I'm gonna do a longer video on this, I think, in the future, but I just wanted to give you something in this video because, you know, my channel is coming up on its first year anniversary, which is super exciting, and I'm so grateful for everyone who's helped me, including Lily and, you know, all my friends and family who've supported me. It really means a lot, and especially thank you to all you guys who watched the video. So without you guys checking it out, the channel wouldn't be anything, and I'm really appreciative of that. So thank you so much. If you are finding my channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, because I do put out videos every Monday to get your week going, and every Friday to get your weekend started. And in each and every video, I try to take you from average to alpha. So thanks so much, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Signing off.